Kajia Kawang Ktien Hapdeng kaseng NPP bakaseng BJP ha kajala meglaya kalapoi hadu upur bakaseng NPP kalapha sandone ke BJP barweng noi ke jingkachan jongka na kasorkar sandroblang kasorkar MDA
to withdraw support to the MDA. Very clear. I've already told yesterday.
So that means no discussion, sir?
What?
No discussion?
What discussion? What discussion? Why should we discuss? We already discussed. Everything has been discussed in the coordination committee also. We already discussed. And you already have your elected representative from your party. Maybe if you don't have that, it's different issue. But you already have, and one of them, they are also the cabinet minister in the council of ministers. So if you have any problem, then why not? Communication gap is not there. We don't have any communication gap. It's very clear. That's what I told yesterday very clearly. If you are really serious about your allegation, okay, your allegation, now I'm taking bath in a dirty water. Why should you join? Why should you also do the same way? Leave, withdraw. Since you knew that MDA government is such a corrupted government, leave, withdraw. Ask your MLAs, both of your MLAs, withdraw immediately.
ka BJP kalakran shai bakamdan jing a banle ekata Henry ka hap up ekajing batha na kaseng BJP ka bahalor namar ka BJP ru kadan ka benda ka bakraw ha ka bathaw ka sorkar ha ka jala.
We have no problem, but the issue is this: when we formed the MDA government, it is with the initiative of the national BJP. So we have to go with the instructions, advice of the national BJP only. Because when we formed the MDA government, it has happened also in the Assam House, in present with all the national leaders. Many national leaders, where they formed the MDA government, if they want the BJP to withdraw from the MDA government, it is not from the Meghalaya BJP, it has to come from the national BJP. We have no issue. If the national BJP telling us, the state BJP Meghalaya telling us the parliamentary party members of the BJP, we have no problem. But it has to come from the national BJP leaders.
Unang ilam ka BJP ubaderu menteri ka sorkar jala uba ALHEC habai kren mikla pathai khubor ulong bakaseng BJP jo ka jala meglaya kaha banra ashwai ka jakren bar ke MDA coordination committee.
Time and again, we are repeating again and again. We have told us if you have any grievances, any problem, bring it to MDA coordination committee. They will discuss. We cannot bring it to the public domain like that.
Ulong rubo unya kren ba hapo kaseng, but onya penbet yeki aka baro.
Being as a senior leader of the BJP, to discuss in the party is a party matter and resolve within the party itself.